Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to redeem Ralph's fuel points. If you find this video useful, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, I've created a Google document of how to do this, or step-by-step guide. So redeeming Ralph's fuel points is a very straightforward process and it can help you save money on fuel purchases at participating gas stations. So, in order to do this, you need to first earn fuel points by shopping at Ralph's and using your Ralph reward card. You can typically earn one fuel point for every $1 spent. Additional points can be earned through promotions and by purchasing gift cards. And from there, Ralph fuel points can be redeemed at participating Shell gas stations and other select locations. You can find a list of participating stations on the Ralph website or app. And number three, at the gas station. So drive to a participating gas station and pull up to a pump. Insert your payment method, so either your credit or debit card, into the pump as you normally would. And then enter your Ralph's reward number. So when prompted, enter your Ralph Rewards card number or phone number associated with your Ralph's account. The system will display your available fuel points and the discount you can apply. Select the amount of points you wish to redeem for a discount on your fuel purchase. After confirming your selection, proceed to pump your fuel. The discount will be applied automatically to your total. And I've got some tips for maximizing Ralph fuel points as well. So it's a good idea to check your Ralph's account online or via the Ralph's app to see your current fuel points balance and expiration dates. And also look out for special promos that offer additional fuel points on certain products or during specific times. Ralph's might send you out emails letting you know about these certain promos, or you can check their social media sites for special promotions as well. And fuel points typically expire at the end of the month following the month they were earned as well. So make sure you use them before they expire because you don't want to lose those points. And also, if you want to combine points, so you can combine points from multiple purchases to maximize your fuel discounts. For example, if you have a 200 points from one month and 100 points from another, you can combine them for a higher discount. And I've got some troubleshooting issues here, so issues at the pump. And if you need any more help, you can reach out to customer support.